Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, thank you for watching this video and clicking through to watch. For those who are returning, thank you for supporting my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Adobe Premiere Pro not exporting or rendering problem. This is a problem that has long existed, however, seems common with the 2022 update of the Premiere Pro application. So I'm showing you how to solve this problem in this video. Alright, stay tuned. The first thing you do is to load up your Adobe Premiere Pro CC 2022, which is right here. As you can see, this is a new video that I am making and trying to export, and you see the little changes that you can make here that can make a remarkable difference in your exporting. I'm not talking about slow export. I'm talking about being able to export the video, because sometimes you notice that when you go to your file, as usual, you go to export and then to media, you find that this is where it ends on this page. When you click on export, it takes a long time to even export. Sometimes it stays static. Let me show you an instance. If I click on export right now, you see, normally it should go through, but sometimes it just stops here and doesn't move at all. I'll show you how I fixed this problem with my own Premiere Pro CC 2022. Okay, to do this, what you simply do is make sure that the file that you're exporting is complete and everything is well ready to render. And once this is happening, once this has happened, what you'd have to do is to go to the file, go to your file, go right here and go to project settings. Right here, when you click here on where it says general, click right there, it shows you this page here where you have project here, with the project name, general, scratch disks, ingest settings here, renderer, preview cache, display format right here. Now don't touch any setting right here. The only thing you have to do here is to go right to where it says renderer and change here to Mercury Playback Engine software. Yours could be in GPU. If it's in GPU, please change it to Mercury Playback Engine software only. Click there and click on the OK button. Once you do that, your video will be ready to export. So once that's done, and make sure that everything is complete here for rendering, you go right here to File once more, go to Export, go to Media, and go to export. And when you do this, you would notice that your video will start to export. It countdown to exporting. You see, that's how to solve that problem. Now, to be honest, there are many ways of solving this problem, but this is one way that worked for me. And the best thing to do is, once you have done those changes, please restart your computer and then reload the application, just to make sure that everything is in order. And once you reload the application, make sure you come back to File and then to Settings right here, to the click on General, and then check once more that it's still in Mercury Playback Engine software only. This is the Adobe Premiere Pro 2022 version. So make sure that this setting is the right place. It's supposed to be, should be in the Mercury Playback Engine software only. Once that's done and you confirm that's complete, make sure you click on OK back, and then you can go on to export. So if you do all these I've mentioned in this video, you should have your Premiere Pro CC exporting like it should, right? So this is what worked for me, and I hope it works for you as well. Alright guys, that's it on this video. It's a very short one, but yes, thank you for watching and bye.